Hello everyone, I'm Indurani. Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will study pronoun, its types with example. So keep on watching this video till the end. Let us start with the content. Pronoun with definition, types of pronouns, personal pronoun. In this, we will discuss about first person, second person and third person. Next, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun and possessive pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. Let us see one example. Mrs. Veena Gupta is the principal of this school. She is a great educationist. All the students respect her. So you can see students here, she and her both has been used for Mrs. Veena Gupta. So she and her are pronouns. We use pronouns because if we kept repeating the nouns, our sentences would look awkward. Now, come to the types of pronouns. First, personal pronouns. A pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. Pronouns like I, we, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them are personal pronouns. Now in this personal pronouns, we will discuss first person, second person and third person. So students, there are three persons. First, the first person is the person speaking. I, me, mine, we, us, ours are pronouns of the first person. Second, the second person is the person spoken to. You and yours are pronouns of the second person. Third, the third person is the person or thing spoken about. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs are pronouns of the third person. Now look at this example. Suchi is speaking to Priya. I like Miss Bhushan. Do you? Then Priya is answering, yes, she is an excellent teacher. So here, students, you'll find out that I stands for Suchi, is the person speaking. I is a pronoun of the first person and you is Priya, the person spoken to. You is a pronoun of the second person. She is Miss Bhushan, the person spoken about. She is a pronoun of the third person. So you will see here that first person, the person speaking. That means example, I, we, etc. Second person, the person being spoken to. Example, you, etc. Third person, the person being spoken about. Example, he, she, it, they, etc. Now come to demonstrative pronoun. A pronoun that is used to point out the object or objects which it refers to is called a demonstrative pronoun. Now, look at some examples. This is a pen. These are pens. That is a book. Those are your books. In these sentences, the words this, these, that and those are used as pronouns. In sentence 1, this stands for pen. In sentence 2, these stands for pens. In sentence 3, that stands for book. And in sentence 4, those stands for books. Since these pronouns are used to point out the object or objects which they refer to, they are called demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. A pronoun that is used to ask a question is called an interrogative pronoun. Look at these sentences. What do you want? Who is knocking at the door? Which is your umbrella? So in these sentences, the word what, who, which have been used as pronouns. Since these pronouns have been used to ask questions, they are called interrogative pronouns. Now, reflexive pronouns. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and themselves, when used as the receiver of an action, are called reflexive pronouns. Now, look at these sentences. I enjoyed myself. We enjoyed ourselves. She enjoyed herself. In sentence 1, I and myself stand for the same person. In sentence 2, we and ourselves stand for the same persons. In sentence 3, she and herself stand for the same person. So students, in each of the above sentences, the doer of the action is also the receiver of the action. The pronouns that have been used as the receiver of the action, myself, ourselves, and herself, are called reflexive pronouns. Emphasizing pronouns. A pronoun used to convey emphasis is called an emphasizing pronoun. Now look at these sentences. I myself saw him coming. She herself told me so. He informed the principal himself. In these sentences, the pronouns myself, herself, and himself have been used for emphasis. They are therefore called emphasizing pronouns. Now, possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. Now, look at these two sentences. That is my car. That car is mine. In sentence 1, my qualifies the noun car. So, my is an adjective. We know that it is a possessive adjective. Sentence 2 says the same thing in a different way. In this sentence, mine is a pronoun. Since mine shows possession, it is called a possessive pronoun. Now, let us see some possessive pronouns in first person, second person, and third person. First person in singular form, mine. Plural form, ours. Second person, singular form, yours. Plural form, same it is, yours. Third person, his, hers. Plural form, theirs. So, of these, mine, ours, yours, and theirs are of common gender, that is, they can be used both for males and females. His is masculine and hers is feminine. So, this is pronoun and its types. I hope you all have understood this chapter clearly. Thank you.